What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Everything I Wanted by Billie Eilish. If you're new here, click that subscribe button in the bottom right hand corner of this video, as well as the notification bell, that way you never miss a new tutorial, or I will just punch you right in the face.
I punch niggas in the face, nigga!
Also, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar, along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories, so if you want some free stuff, stick around to the end of the video. I get into all the giveaway stuff there, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. Okay, you guys, so this song is in standard tuning, and to make it easier, you're going to capo up to the 2nd fret. This song is using a couple different chords, and as always, if you need the chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. It's 100% free. I give it away in all the videos. It's just another resource for you guys, and it's got all the major chord diagrams in there. You can also find the guitar tab in the video description as well, so if you need either of those, jump into the video description once you get done. It will be there for you. So I'm going to start by showing you the chords for the song. It's going to be C major, which is 0-3-2-0-1-0. Or you can play it as a C major 7, which all you're going to do is take that index finger off and you're just playing 0-3-2-0-0-0. Then it's D major, which is 0-0-0-2-3-2. And then B minor, which is 0-2-4-4-3-2. And then finally goes back to C or C major 7. Now the strumming pattern you can use for those chords looks like this. It's down, up, 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 down, up. Down, up, 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 down, switch. Up, down, 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 up. Now you can strum through the chords like that throughout the entire song. That will work, or there is a little guitar part that I kind of wrote for this that kind of matches the piano part to the song that you can play. I will have the tab for this, like I said, in the video description, but you're going to start with that C major 7, and you're just going to strum the A, D, G, and B. Just down strum those once, then pick that G string before strumming the D chord. You're just strumming D, G, B, E. So, again, A, D, G, B, 1 down strum, G string picked by itself, 1 down strum for the D on D, G, B, and E. Then you're going to down strum. You can down strum this full chord if you want, the B minor from starting on the A. 1 down strum there, then pick that D string by itself, and then back to the C major 7 for the A, D, G, and B string. So, and then that little pickup piano part that plays is 0 on the G, 2 on the G, 4 on the G, 5. There you have it, guys. That's all there is to it. Keep practicing. You will have this song down in no time. Like I said at the beginning of the video, I'm giving away a free brand new acoustic guitar along with a bunch of other guitar related prizes and accessories. All you gotta do to enter is subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, like this video, and then leave a comment down below with a song that you would like me to teach you on guitar. Now the way it's gonna work is each month I'm picking 2 winners. One is gonna win a guitar accessories kit that comes with a capo, guitar strap, guitar picks. Everything that you need as a beginner, intermediate, or advanced player will be in that kit. The second place winner is gonna win a free merch bundle from the channel, and then when the channel hits 50,000 subscribers, I'll be picking one of you guys to win that free brand new acoustic guitar. So again, all that you have to do to enter is subscribe to the channel, click the notification bell, leave a like on this video, and leave a comment down below with the song that you guys want me to teach you on guitar. Again, I can't thank you guys enough. Your support has been incredible, and I can't explain how much it really means to me, so thank you guys so much for all the support. I really enjoy helping you guys learn these songs that you want to play on the guitar. If you have any questions, comments, concerns, leave those in the comment section below. I will have the rules to the giveaway in the description below, along with the free ebook that will always still be there. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. Always free, it'll always be in the description, along with any tabs that might be for the video. So again, if you need anything, have any questions, my personal email address is in the description below, or leave your questions in the comment section. We'll see you guys in the next video.